The drag reduction system, otherwise known as DRS. What is the dynamic system? Describe the features of the system. The F1 drag reduction system, or DRS, is a mechanism used for passing cars during a race. It is the actuation of the rear wing that opens and closes in designated zones of the racetrack to decrease drag and allow a car to go faster. The mass of the system is the same as the rear wing, which on average is 11 kilograms or 24.5 pounds. In modern Formula One, the rule states the rear wing must be made out of one piece. DRS visualized? Here you can see the DRS opening, which decreases drag and allows the car to go faster.
The system only has two states, opened and closed. The system basically functions as an actuated pendulum. It is fixed at one end of the wing while the other is rotated with an actuator. The governing equation of motion is called the manipulator equation for any actuated piece. M is the inertia matrix, C captures the Coriolis forces, tau_g is the gravity vector, and V converts any control inputs, U, into forces.
A discrete system in control theory refers to a system where the signal's variables or parameters change only at distinct points. In contrast, continuous time system, which evolves smoothly over time, whereas discrete time systems operate in step-by-step fashion. Since a DRS system can only be open or closed at a specific time, it is considered a discrete system. The inputs are the electronic signal from the onboard computer. The output is the linear motion of the actuator that opens and closes the flap on the rear wing. Units being measured: motion of the linear actuator, which ensures that the flap physically opens, and the reaction time, which is the time between the driver input till the slot is completely open.
The system can only be activated when certain requirements are met. The car must be 1 second behind another car at the DRS detection point, and it must be activated in the DRS zone. If the driver presses the button when the car is not eligible for DRS, the flap won't open, and the flap closes at the end of the zone when the brake pedal is pressed. If any of these requirements are not met and the DRS opens, not only will it be extremely dangerous because the car won't stop or turn as much as the driver expects, it'll also be considered cheating.
This is the control chart for the DRS system. So it is turned on with the car. If the driver hits the DRS button, it goes through a check saying, is this car DRS eligible? And that could be location on the track, or it could be if he's about to pass somebody. If not, it just goes back in a loop until he hits the button and it continues to check. If yes, it deploys the DRS system, which does not stop until the brake is activated, puts it in another logical loop, so the DRS will be down until someone brakes, then it'll close. If the brake is activated, the DRS system deactivates, and it waits until you hit the button again.
When the DRS is open, F1 cars can achieve speeds of over 220 miles an hour. But we don't really care about that when we're just dealing with the DRS, so the reference frame for the DRS is just the reference frame of the body of the F1 car.